don't have as many people as the Russian Federation has as basic math, and this is why technology is a very specific competitive advantage that allows us to stop the enemy where they are and provide some asymmetric action. One example of that being us effectively having no major surface combatant navy, but scoring nevertheless some major victories with unmanned maritime drones. And for the battlefield, we have FPV drone saturation, we have large bomber copters, which are very effective. So the more we invest in technology, the more technology we are able to develop in Ukraine, the faster we can stop this enemy. If they did a comparable effort in defense tech and support Ukraine, we would be much, much more powerful than Russia. But it looks like companies are catching up with what we are doing. And I hope that we will one day create technologies which will revolutionize the battlefield in the future. So we could use any and all support with cloud services because missiles are hitting all around Ukraine. Also help us counteract misinformation, disinformation more effectively, and also open R&D facilities which can allow development of dual-use technologies, maybe robotized platforms. We were the first to launch fully-fledged digital passports and IDs, and we have launched many public services which are fully automated. Even now we're doing this, but after the war, we want to cement our status as the coolest state in terms of digital transformation.